What was it about Python then that was really driving that passion? Why was that passion not with MATLAB or with R or with some of the others? What was it that really grabbed you? I'm just curious how you got motivated on that.
So I am kind of like I said, I've been programming for a long time. I know a number of languages. I started with BASIC and Logo, as so many people do, children of the 80s. But I learned a lot of languages. In fact, my professional work had been in C++, and I was a huge performance nerd and all that stuff. When I first clued into Python, it was, I think, version 1.5.2, and it was a Slashdot post. And I was like, I'm tired of all these Slashdot posts on Python. Let me finally take a look at what it is, because Perl 6 looks like it's going to take a little while to get here, and I might as well play with Python, right? But when I started using it, I realized, oh my gosh, this is very nice. This is executable pseudocode. And furthermore, I can use Python to script my low-level C++ graphics engine and be way faster than sitting there beating my head into like C++ templates, which back at that time, they were not very well supported by any of the compilers. So I could get more abstraction. I could prototype very fast. And it was just pleasant to work in. It felt like I could do stuff without like slogging through a pile of like syntax. So that kind of ease of use and that friendliness, even for a seasoned programmer, professional programmer like myself, was very nice. And what ended up happening over the course of the 2000s was that you could see people who are not traditional programmers, and this is going to be a very important thing as we talk about practical AI.